Meaning of hole in the wall.
Hole in the wall.
Hole in the wall.
Hole in the wall.
Hole in the wall. The phrase hole in the wall is an idiomatic expression that typically refers to a small, unremarkable, or inconspicuous place that is often hidden or difficult to find. It can also be used to describe a small, dingy, or dilapidated establishment, such as a bar or restaurant. In both cases, the term conveys a sense of informality, simplicity, and perhaps even a certain level of charm or character. Overall, a hole in the wall is a place that may not look like much from the outside, but may surprise and delight visitors with its unique and authentic qualities.